Attention please. Let me ask you something. Why do some people blow up in crowded markets while others stay invisible? Same industry, same tools, sometimes even lesser talent. But one thing is different, they know how to stand out. In today's video, I am going to show you exactly how to position yourself so people notice you, trust you, and choose you, even in the most competitive market. If you are trying to build a business, grow your brand, or even start a side hustle, this is one of the most important skills you will ever learn. Because the truth is, competition is not the problem, being forgettable is. So today, I will break down powerful strategies top entrepreneurs use to dominate crowded spaces and how you can apply them starting from today. Number 1, clarity is your superpower. Most people try to stand out by doing more, but the real secret is doing less with more clarity. If I ask you, what do you do? And your answer is confusing, you have already lost attention. Here is the truth. People don't buy from the best, they buy from the clearest. Instead of saying, I help businesses grow, say, I help business owners double their sales using simple social media strategies. Did you see the difference? Define who you serve, what problem you solve, what results you deliver. Clarity cuts through noise faster than talent. Number 2, niche down to blow up. Let me tell you something most people are afraid to hear. If you try to serve everyone, you will attract no one. The fastest way to stand out is to become specific. Think about it. Not just fitness coach for busy professionals. Not just content creator helping beginners grow on YouTube. When you niche down, you become easy to recognize, easier to trust, easier to recommend. Ask yourself, who do I want to be known for helping? Because when your message is specific, your audience feels like you are speaking to them directly. Number 3, build a strong personal brand. In a competitive market, your product isn't the only thing people are buying. They buy you, your story, your personality, your perspective. That's your unfair advantage. There are thousands of people selling the same thing, but nobody can be you. How to build your brand? Share your journey, even the struggles. Be consistent with your message. Show your face. People connect with humans, not logo. Remember, people don't follow perfection, they follow authenticity. Number 4, positioning is everything. Let me give you a powerful mindset shift. You don't need to be better than everyone. You just need to be positioned differently. Example, 2 people are selling the same service. One say, I design website, while another say, I design website that helps businesses increase their sales. Who stands out more? Exactly. Position yourself as a problem solver, a result provider, and a specialist, because people pay for outcome, not effort. Number 5, create value that can't be ignored. If you want to stand out, give so much value that people feel like they owe you attention. This is how you win in today's market. Teach what you know, share insights, solve problems for free. Because when people see your value, they trust you before they even pay you. Content ideas you should try, how to video, mistakes to avoid, step-by-step breakdown. The more you have, the more you grow. Number 6, consistency beats talent. Here is the truth nobody likes to hear. The people winning are not the most talented, they are the most consistent. You don't stand out in one post, you stand out over time. Every video, every post, every message. Just show up regularly. Stick to your message. Improve a little every day, because consistency builds trust, authority, visibility, and those 3 things make you unstoppable. Number 7, develop a unique voice. You don't need to copy successful people. You need to understand them and then be yourself. Your voice is your edge. Your ways of explaining things, your energy, your perspective, that's what makes people stay. Stop asking, what are others doing? Start asking, how can I say this in my own way? If you take out one thing from this video, let it be this: you don't need to compete. You need to differentiate yourself. Clarity, consistency, and authenticity. That's how you stand out in any market. If this video helped you, make sure you like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to see this. And remember, the market is crowded, but there is always room for someone who stands out.